Namaste, Vanakkam, Sat Sri Akal. Back to back.
Okay, thank you.
So before we started planning the Indian night for today, we had many plans to what do we show about India. There has been Indian night before, there's going to be Indian night after. So what are we going to do for this year? So this year we plan to show India is not only the cultural, the traditional thing of the past, it's also moving ahead, it's also thinking about future, it's also competing against all nations, and it's also taking part in world's growth. So that's what we'll see in this presentation. So first, about a short word about Indians in Magdeburg. There are about 400 Indians here in Magdeburg, and they come from different states in India, and the population is constantly growing. So it is, this is my 6th year here in Magdeburg, so this is more like my second home. So I just came to Magdeburg yesterday, so I feel like I'm already home. Next slide. And the theme of the event is Varna. Varna means colors in Sanskrit. So so the theme of also the name of the event is Varna, because in India we have different colors, different people of all religions, different people of all race. They live together. So that's colors. That's Varna. So we live. India is around 7,000 kilometers from Germany, and next. So now we'll get a little bit to the serious part. So as I said earlier, India is not a thing of the past, it's also moving ahead. That's why shy, but it's not shut. Next slide. Yeah, it's moving ahead. Next slide. So here are some of the new initiatives of the Indian government. So that we have for Digital India. So we have some electronics manufacturing. As we know, India is the greatest. India has the greatest pool of engineers all over the world, and we have some programs which motivates people to do business, and a lot of things is happening. We have DigiLocker, which you can upload all your original documents in the website, and you can use it to register in your university or the college. Next. Yeah, and yeah, we have been doing quite good with astronomy and space science. So we had reached Mars in the first attempt with our Mars rover. Next. Yeah, and India is also a land of 1,000,000 gods. There was once a time where we had 300,000 gods and not so many people. So once we had more gods than people in India. Next slide. So let's see what we can see in India. Yeah. So this is the Himalayas. So you have all kinds of weather in India. To say we have the extreme winters on the northern side in the Himalayas, in the northern side of India, and we have really hot weathers on the eastern side where we have the desert, and in the south we have, it's also hot. So India is not really hot, it's not only hot, it's also cold and also autumn. We have a place called Cherrapunji where it rains really every day. So India is not only the place which is very hot. Yeah. This is a photo from the Andamans, which is an island, which is the south of India. So yeah, you can see some pictures which depict travel in India. Next. Yeah, this is one of the most important things to discuss, because also in India it's stereotyped that we have really spicy food, but that's not really true. Mostly in the north of India they have sugar, they add sugar to the food, and it's also sweet. And on the top, I'll just tell you a little bit about Indian foods. So there you have naan, which is called naan. In German it's just Fladenbrot. And here we have vada, and here we have chicken I think it's something chicken masala, and here's something vegetarian. So what I'm saying, why I'm saying all these things is, you will get to eat all these things in a couple of hours here, which is prepared by our wonderful chefs from the students here. So it is only students who have prepared for this, around 20 students, I guess. They have worked almost 3 days to prepare for around 800 people who want to visit this event. I would like to thank them also in this stage. Next. Yeah. So I wanted to keep this presentation very short and quick, so I'll move fast. So I wish you a wonderful evening. Thanks a lot.